go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
If you've been watching my vlogs lately, you can tell that I haven't been in the most festive spirit, and that's because we've got 2 more days and we're going on holiday. It's currently the 19th of December when I'm filming this, and work has just been incredibly chaotic this past month. I've had a lot to do. Thank you, Daisy, that's my breakfast. So I haven't been feeling the festive spirit until now. And with the fact that we're going away, I'm trying to say something. With the fact that we're going away as well, that doesn't help because I still feel like so much pressure and so many things that I still need to do. I've got a big to-do list for work today. A lot of admin, but a lot of actual tasks that I need to complete. I also want to bake a cake, a Romanian traditional Christmas cake today. My partner went to Romania recently and he brought me the specific things that I needed that I couldn't find in here. So that's the plan for today as well. Tomorrow it's gonna be packing day, it's just gonna get ready for everything, and then Sunday we're going. I'm not gonna tell you where yet, so you'll have to stay tuned for that and subscribe. There's a lot of vlogs coming from that trip, I can already tell. All I can tell you is that we're going away for a whole month. Well, that's a lie, it's 3.5 weeks, but still, I'd call it a month. So let's focus on finalizing everything that we need to finalize today and finish work on a high, knowing that I've done everything that I should have done, and that was my work calling me, so I need to go.
Leu! Hai, cheers. Hai măcar tu.
Cheers!
Cheers!
It's almost midnight, but I'm really happy. First of all, because my Romanian Christmas cake turned out perfection. I've never done one so good. But also because I have officially finished this whole list that I had for work. It's done. I've done everything. I work really well under pressure, but I'm so tired but so happy that I get to spend almost a whole month away, not thinking about work from today onwards. Tomorrow I'm gonna delete Teams, emails, like everything that's linked to work, because I really want to take this time for myself, for my personal life, for anything but my professional development. That being said, I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, now I need to close it somehow. Let's see if it works. You gotta help me. There's been a little bit of a change of plans. I switched my backpack from that one to this one, and I think this is a great idea because this is like 3/4 full, but I've got a lot of free space still, and I can bend it and it's a lot easier to carry. And this is my partner's cousin's backpack from when we went to Thailand. I think this is gonna be so much easier than mine.
And this is the organized one.
Show them my socks.
The Grinch was here. This sock stinks.
That was my moment.
She's like, everything going to charge and so on and so forth, blah blah blah.
Got everything ready. Just need to clean the mess.
Is it everything ready?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, 100%. Look,
I
if
start to
you've
wobble
got-
you a bit.
If you've got your passport and money and cards, that's all you need. Anything else is figure out the bill.